We're Traveline Cymru, the public transport information people for Wales. Funded by the Welsh Government, we're here to offer Wales a one-stop shop for public transport information, including bus, coach and rail. We can also be useful if you're car sharing, using park and ride, walking, or even cycling. To make sure our information is relevant and reliable, we work with every bus, rail and coach company in Wales and all local authorities. In a recent poll, 94% of Traveline Cymru users said they would use our service again, with high satisfaction rates across our platforms. Since 2009, demand has quadrupled. During 2016, we will deliver over 5.5 million travel or journey solutions. There are 3 easy ways to use our services: through our bilingual call centre on our free phone number 0800 464 0000, online, or going mobile with our app. All these options offer up-to-date bus and train times, a journey planner and travel alerts. It's easy.